So we got a 120 here. Client said that it is paper jam, so we're going to try a test print here. Here. Okay. The printer goes inside here, but this one here is kind of stuck. There must be something here. Turn off the printer. I'm gonna fold this slowly. So as you can see, the paper, you can simply tell there's something going on here. So it was there, here. So there is an object here. That's a very simple thing to detect a jam. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just do my best. You can see that. I hope you can see. We can see a lot of small. It's a lizard egg. It's a lizard egg, guys. Here. Focus po doy. A lizard egg. So that caused the jam. I'm going to turn on the printer while in this position. Alright. And I'm going to do that, turn off with this position. So the roller will turn again, will rotate there, and bring those tiny objects out. So we'll try again, guys, to test. Still there is a jam there. Let's pull out. Look at that. Same area, guys. So we need to open the printer. Very quick. Remove two screws here.
Also the two screws up here, remove it. Remove this cap, in cap, and lift this case here. You can simply tilt that up. And after that, don't forget to return the cap, ink, the ink cap there so it will not spill over the table. There is two more screws here, from here and also the other side. Okay, so the printer's now free. You can
Pull this like this. Slowly. Or here. Start from here. Don't worry, guys. Don't worry, nothing will break. We're going to look at there. Okay, we will return the screw here so we can move this. Return the back to the body, guys, and maybe that one will do the job. So we can rotate this. I cannot see an object here. Cannot see any object stuck there. So what I'm going to do is determine where is the jam position. So this is the paper here. So it crumples here. So it must be somewhere here. I'm going to lift this one here using this flat screw so we can see what's going on there. I can see something there. Okay, and we can see something there. Maybe there's a stone. Is that a stone, guys? Probably. It's a stone maybe. So what I'm going to do is to get that stone out, of course. I'm going to put something else here. Yeah, it's a stone. Focus. Don't rush, guys, to make it. You can do this one. So it's a stone, guys. You're not going to jam anymore. So I think that's it, guys. I think that's the only problem we have so far. We will test first. It's okay now, guys. We'll try again. So that's the only problem we get. So we need to return. We need to return the case, and that's all for now, guys. And thank you for watching my videos, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos to come. By the way, guys, as long as there is a client or a customer bring unit to my shop, I will try to make videos as long as I'm not a little bit busy. So guys, that's all for today. You know what to do to return it back. Goodbye.